This video shows HL7 data feeds being automatically processed, encrypted, parsed into JSON, and then stored as encrypted JSON into a data lake, in this case HDFS, then allow users to select HL7 elements to create a graphical report. During this process we also repair HL7 segments and data elements, then generate and display the user-defined graphical interface report. We will show the entire process from accepting the original data feed to creating reports using our graphical interface. Here you can see we stored the original HL7 feed encrypted. Now we will run the process to parse and convert the HL7 feed into JSON and store the results in HDFS, encrypted. This can be most any SQL or non-SQL data files. Here we establish the original HL7 feed we want to process to JSON. We also can connect with Kafka IoT, BDR Spark3, IoT, for real-time, 24/7 feeds. I will show interface for this later in the video. Next, we establish the path and file to store the JSON in, again encrypted, and submit the process to run. Here we see the newly created JSON file, securely encrypted. Here we select the parsed JSON file to report on. This run process is our graphical interface where the users select the desired HL7 JSON file, segments and fields to create online and batch reports. You are seeing a user selecting the segments and the data within the segments they want to view. We are now running our decryption process in memory and repair any HL7 segments and/or fields and rewrite the JSON HL7 data back to the chosen database and present the reporting results for viewing. Here we see the user selected segments for this process. Here we are viewing the user requested results in a graphical interface. In the upcoming weeks we will be adding our drill capability, allowing the viewing of additional patient information from the HL7 as well as documents and information stored in FHIR. We will also allow for the exporting of the information on the screen and additionally requested information to be exported or sent to other sources such as doctors and hospitals. We offer the ability for the user to search on their results and see those results highlighted in yellow. Here is our already existing IoT interface showing how to create the producer file and then the parameters where the live feed comes from and other needed information. Our next video we will show integration with FHIR that we add sophisticated import, export, ability, enhanced viewing in our graphical interface, reporting and integration with the HL7 and other healthcare data. Thank you for watching this video and the exciting technology we hope will improve the healthcare industry and better the lives of patients and providers.